In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Reddit collections to organize your saved posts. If you've been using Reddit for a while, you probably already have a bunch of posts saved. Guides, memes, recipes, tutorials, and maybe things you want to read later. Over time, that saved list can become a big, messy pile that's hard to navigate. That's exactly where collections come in. They let you group your saved posts into categories so you can quickly find what you're looking for instead of scrolling forever. First, open Reddit and go to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile icon or avatar, usually found in the top corner of the app or website. Once you're on your profile page, you'll want to look through your posts and saved content to find something you'd like to organize. Next, find a post that you want to add to a collection. This can be any post you've saved or are about to save. Look for the three dots next to the post. On mobile, they're usually under the post or in a corner. On desktop, they're typically near the title or alongside other actions like share or save. Click on those three dots. This opens a small menu with different options related to that post. In this menu, you should see an option that says Add to Collection. When you tap or click that, Reddit will either let you choose an existing collection or create a new one. For example, you might create collections like tech tips, funny stuff, recipes, or learn later. Give your collection a clear, simple name so you'll instantly know what's inside when you come back to it. Once you confirm, that post will be stored inside that specific collection, rather than just being lost in your general saved list. Over time, as you keep adding posts into collections, your saved items will feel much more organized and easier to browse. Now, there is an important catch. If your account is limited, like some newer or restricted accounts, you might not see the Add to Collection option at all, even after clicking on the three dots. In that case, it's not something you're doing wrong. The feature just isn't available on your account yet. You can still use the regular save option, but collections may not appear until Reddit lifts those limitations or rolls the feature out more broadly to your account.